Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials: monitors powered, correct cables, and the right inputs selected. Once done, plug the second display into the PC. Use HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C. Adapters are okay, but avoid passive dongles when unsure. Make sure Windows detects the connection. Open settings quickly, but first give the monitors a moment to handshake with the GPU. If you see no change, check cable seating and monitor input. Otherwise, proceed to display arrangement and mode selection. Next, go into Settings, System, Display. You should identify and drag the numbered tiles to match how your monitors sit on your desk so your mouse flows naturally between them. Once aligned, choose which screen is primary to host the taskbar and apps. Then select Extend for extra workspace or Duplicate if mirroring is needed. Make sure to set recommended resolution and scale per screen, and check refresh rate for smoother motion. These choices affect clarity and performance, especially across mixed panel types. Finish by tweaking color profiles, HDR, and nightlight so both displays look cohesive. If you use an NVIDIA or AMD control panel, set per display GPU preferences there. Save your layout and practice moving windows and full-screen apps to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, first update graphics drivers and try a different cable or port. If the monitor still reports no signal, use Settings Display Detect. Reboot into safe mode to isolate driver issues, then reapply the working configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.